Hello there. Welcome to a new lesson specially made for beginners. Before that, let me give you a fun fact. Swimmers sweat in the pool, and so they burn about 30% more calories than running per hour, so next time you see a runner, just share it. Learning swimming can be scary and thrilling both at the same time. If you don't know how to do it, do not worry, I will help and try to make swimming more of fun. This guide will give you a step-by-step method on how to learn swimming for beginners. First step to learning swimming is to be comfortable in the water. I call it build the water confidence stage. Just walk to and fro in shallow water. For kids, it's recommended to have this in the baby pool near the wall side. This will help to get a feel of water. Step 2. Blow bubbles underwater. This is a fun and important part of breathing. To do this, you got to remember when you are above water, breathe in from your mouth, hold till you get underwater, and breathe out slowly from your nose as you go underwater. Now as you are reading this, do 5 times, breath in, hold, 2 sec, breathe out, as this will prepare you for underwater. While you are going to blow bubbles underwater, I advise you to wear goggles, as this will keep your eyes open and help you to see underwater, which makes you stable and be fun at the same time. Step 4. Kicking. Kick fast, no splashing. Face the side of the pool and place both hands on the edge. Extend your arms, lift both legs together until your arms, body, and legs are in a straight line away from the edge. Turn your head to one side and draw a breath through your mouth. Do not lift your head straight up. Hold your knees straight and kick your legs from the hip. Kick relatively fast and make the smallest splashes possible. Your feet should not come out of the water. Exhale underwater, turn your head and draw a new breath. Continue your kicks and breathing until you are comfortable breathing while kicking. Step 5. Side to side. Stand with your back to the side of the pool, facing across the shallow end to the opposite side. Bend at the knees, extend your left arm in front, take a breath and push away from the side with your legs. As you move away from the side, your face should go in the water, and your legs should begin to kick as you take a forward stroke. Stroke with your right arm. 6. Practice makes perfect. Continue kicking as you make concentrated strokes, bringing each hand back until the palm is at your side as you reach ahead to stroke with the other arm. Make 2 strokes with each arm, turn your head and draw a breath, return your head to straight and continue. Practice this until you feel comfortable with the breathing and you are able to swim the width of the pool without having to stop. And now here is 5 basic skills every swimmer needs. First one. Breathing properly. Often overlooked among swimming skills is the ability to time your breaths with your strokes. When learning to breathe while swimming, beginners tend to lift their heads above the water when they run out of air and gasp for more. But breaking your rhythm while swimming slows you down and tires you out. And if you don't know how to breathe while swimming, you'll struggle to make smooth, coordinated movements. The basic idea involves breathing out through both your nose and mouth when your head is underwater, then lifting your head to the side and taking a full breath before plunging your face back down under the surface. Practice this motion when holding onto the side of the pool with your arms outstretched. 1. Stand in chest-deep water in the pool, facing the wall, hands on the pool edge. 2. Bend over at the waist, breathe in and place your face in the water. 3. Slowly but forcefully blow out the air in your lungs through your nose and mouth. 4. Rotate your head as you exhale, tilting it to the side, toward the surface of the water. 5. When your cheek and mouth emerge above water, inhale. Don't gasp or lift your head too high. 6. Repeat the exercise. Second. Sculling. Sculling while swimming gives you a feel for moving through the water and keeps you from sinking in the water. It's one of the first safety skills beginners learn, yet expert synchronized swimmers and water polo players also depend on sculling. And this is how you do it well. 1. While positioned horizontally in the water, on your belly, move your hands palms down and fingers below the wrists in a circular or figure 8 motion just under the surface of the water, exerting pressure downward. 2. Place a pull buoy between your thighs so you don't need to kick. For a forward scull, keep your straight arms in front of you. For a mid-scull, bend your elbows 3. Slightly with your hands wider than your shoulders. 3rd. Coordinating your actions. Beginning swimmers often find themselves messily chopping through the water with their limbs. That's fine. It takes a while to get a feel for moving your limbs in time. You must also get used to moving the muscles in your lower back, abdomen and hips to power you forward. Similarly, try to let your legs come up behind your body and keep a slim, streamlined position. Over time, this reduces drag from the water and makes you a more efficient. 4th. Learning strokes. Once you feel confident with basic swimming skills, mastering a specific stroke is your next challenge. Breaststroke, while requiring slightly more coordination than front crawl, offers a stable, gentle stroke that's ideal for beginners. And this is some tip for that. 1. Stay straight at the water's surface, holding your head up. 2. Pull your arms in together with the hands almost touching. 3. As your hands reach your chest, bend your knees and lift your feet up in a frog-like shape, with the soles of your feet pointed out to each side. 4. Push back with your legs and reach forward with your hands simultaneously. This double propulsion should help you surge through the water. 5th. Diving. Diving into the pool is one of the necessary swimming skills, even if it starts outside of the water. Always practice diving in a deep pool with a lifeguard on duty. When you begin, diving may only involve putting your hands together above your head and gently curling your body forward toward the water until you fall in, head first. As you progress, try jumping slightly and straightening your legs behind you as you dive to enter the water smoothly. And this is the end of the video. I hope you do a subscribe and drop like just to keep us standing. And see you in the next video.